I have a small issue I have to take care of. When I added the air at the hardware store, they didn't have a 1/4 inch nipple in the black pipe. So I had to go with the brass nipple, which made it look cooler, but I thought at the time that, it's going to get pretty hot and that's going to poke in there. I wonder if that'll melt. But then my rationale was that if it does, well, there's cold air coming through it, so that might keep it cool enough. Well, no. What happened, and I knew it was going to happen. So let me show you. What I was talking about is, like, you might remember that this piece here is brass. It got pretty hot. And if you look down the side, and considering the fact that I got it up to 2,200 degrees the other day, I can see where that might have melted. And it did. So we're gonna get the grinder and grind that out and clean that up. Let's do that. Well, that takes care of that. At least I know it's hot enough to melt brass, which means it's hot enough to melt bronze. I think we're really close to melting some metal here. I mean, I guess we already did. Can't think of anything else that might need to be done, so I think we're pretty close to pouring some metal. Now we just gotta wait for the weather to break. We got like 3 or 4 days of rain coming, so it don't look like we're gonna be doing any pouring in the next couple days. Of course, that next few days could be could be dangerous, because the more I think about stuff, the more it's like, maybe I could do this, or maybe that needs tweaked, or something like that. So I appreciate you hanging in there. The anticipation has got to be killing you. It's killing me. So thanks again for hanging in there and the continued support. And hopefully in the next one, we'll be pouring metal. See you soon. Be safe.